Switzerland. Assigned. You know, I refused it. Maybe it was a limiting belief, maybe it was a belief in something else. I got promoted, managed Australia and the Philippines, and I was asked if I wanted to be based in Australia and not in Manila. I refused it. My father-in-law, who was a doctor, who after graduating in UP Medicine, was sent to Bataan as a doctor and fought the Japanese. She became a USAPI. Naging member siya ng USAPI, ng US Armed Forces. And so he became an American citizen and petitioned all of his children to go to the US, of which 5 went to stay. Me and my wife stayed. Why is that so? Well, I'm an ex-political detainee. I was detained when martial law was declared. I was an activist. So I consider myself as a nationalist. So despite all the attractions of going abroad, I have this belief, whether it's limiting or not, this belief that the reason why the country does not progress enough is because all the good people go out living abroad. Now, at age 72, having been succeeding in the Philippines, I know saying it was not a limiting belief, it was a good belief. I was able to prove that I became more successful in the Philippines than going abroad. So, nire-reflect ko yun sa buhay mo kung sana mali siya o hindi. When I graduated high school, I mo ko, tapis, pero I was qualified. As an AFS scholar, I don't know if you want an AFS scholar. It's an American Field Service Scholarship that sends Filipino students, high school graduate, to the US and study there for 1 year for free. And you stay with a foster family parents. Same manner, may mga American, nag-add to 3, but they only stay for 2 to 3 months during summer. So 4th year kami, may classmate kami ng pamilya na ng American Field Service Scholar. Pero nag-stay ka sa sampo ng 2 to 3 months, classmate ng high school. Kami yan pinili. Several of us applied for the scholarship, but I passed. I was supposed to spend 1 year in 1968-69 in the US. Pero pagkabot ko, 4th year high school mo ko. Sa ulihin na malakat ako, daw na manundo ko sa likod eh. Kung malakat ko, madulas ako, madiran yan. Kaya pagbalik ko din, nakastart na ang first semester sa next year. Nambalik ko sa lawas ko, hindi na lang. Kasi kung makakatulong ko sa Amerika later on, so kasi a wrong belief or not, I don't know. But I saved 1 year and a half of my study time because I decided to stay there.